If you've been trying to find a legit side hustle that doesn't require being an influencer, doesn't take a huge budget, and isn't insanely technical, this video is for you. Because there's a model most people keep hearing about, but almost nobody explains clearly: digital real estate, also called rank and rent or digital leasing. And if you've been stuck watching videos, saving ideas, and still not knowing what to do first, I'm going to fix that in the next few minutes. If you want the free starter kit that maps out the beginner steps, comment kit. And again, comment kit if you want the free starter kit. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more side hustle and digital real estate tips. Digital real estate is simple. You build an online asset that shows up in Google for a local service. That asset generates leads. Then you lease those leads, or the site, to a local business. It's not drop shipping. It's not day trading. It's not post content forever and hope. It's building a lead engine for a local service people already search for every day. Here's an easy example. You build a website for something like junk removal in one city. You add a tracking phone number and a contact form. When someone searches junk removal city and finds your site, they call or fill out the form. Now you've created something valuable, exclusive leads. Then you partner with a real junk removal company and say, if I can send you consistent leads from this, would you want them? That's the rent part. Businesses pay for leads already: Google Ads, Yelp, Angie, agencies, so this model makes sense to them. The number one beginner mistake is always the same. Most beginners fail for one reason. They pick the wrong niche the wrong way. They choose what's trendy or what sounds high-paying, and they accidentally pick something too competitive. Then they spend weeks building and never rank. The goal for your first site isn't the biggest niche. It's the easiest niche to rank that still has demand. Beginner-friendly examples often include junk removal, tree service, pressure washing, gutter cleaning, fence repair, install, garage door repair, concrete, appliance repair. Before you build anything, do a quick 20-minute validation. 1. Demand check. Google the service plus city. If you see businesses and map listings, demand exists. 2. Competition check. Look at page 1. If you see small local companies with basic websites ranking, that's a good sign. If it's all national directories and huge brands, that's usually harder. 3. Business check. Ask, would a business pay for a lead in this niche? In most home services, yes. If you want my full checklist and examples, comment kit. So, no, you're probably wondering, what do I build first? Keep your first digital property simple. A basic website targeting one niche, plus one city. A call tracking number, plus a contact form. A few service pages that match real searches. And a basic Google business profile strategy. You do not need a fancy logo, 40 pages, or anything complicated. Your goal is to launch version 1 and get it moving. Your next question is most likely, how do I get a business to rent it? This is the fear. What if I build it and no one wants it? Here's reality. In most cities, there are dozens of businesses in any home service niche. Many of them don't show up in Google well, are paying for leads elsewhere, or want more consistent lead flow. A simple outreach message works. Hey, I'm building a local lead source for concrete contractors in Phoenix. If I can send you a few exclusive leads, would you want them? You're not begging, you're offering value. This model isn't overnight, but it's real. A realistic beginner timeline is: Week 1, pick niche, city plus setup. Weeks 2-4, build and launch. Month 2-3, rankings start moving. Month 3-6, leads become consistent enough to lease, some faster, some slower. Depends on the market, competition, and execution. Here's your simple next step plan. 1. Pick one niche. 2. Pick one city. 3. Validate demand plus competition. 4. Build the basic site and launch. 5. Start outreach once you have traction, or even pre-sell early. And if you want the free digital real estate starter kit that lays this out step by step, comment kit. If this helped, like and subscribe. And comment below and tell me what niche and city are you thinking about, and I'll let you know if it's a good choice.